Welcome to Monte Alba, ang bundok ng Bukang Liwayway. This is a fundraising project of BCRC and Marupok Group for the benefits of the student athletes and Boy Scout of Wawa National High School. This race will cover the 6 mountains: Mount Parawagan, Mount Lagyo, Mount Susong Dalaga, Elmer's Peak, and Mount Campananan and Ayaas, the highest peak in Montalban. I'm inviting everyone to join us on February 3, 2019. For registration, please visit the Monte Alba Press event page for more information and updates. Registration is until January 27, 2019. See you there and God bless. Thank you.